Now, talking about videos, how do we insert and format a video in PowerPoint while designing a presentation? Very quick and easy step. First of all, if you have a slide, it's most likely that you are going to find these buttons inside the slide. So these are actually buttons that can be clicked on, and then you can insert different items like pictures, smart art, graphic, cameo, video, table, and chat. Alright, so I want to insert a video and format the video. Now, first of all, I'm going to click on this insert video button, but optionally you can find it under insert and video. Okay, insert video, and then this device, if you already have the video inserted or downloaded into your device, then we have stock videos and online videos to download the video direct from the internet. Okay, so but if I want to use this button, I'm going to click on this button and it's going to open my file explorer. Okay, so I'll go over to videos, and then I have a video right here, so I'm going to click on that and then click insert. It's going to insert the video for me right now. Okay, so I have a video right there. So you can actually expand the video by dragging on the corners. You can add a caption by the side or however you want it to be. So let's say I want to insert a different type of video, like a landscape video. I'm going to click up on insert once again, and I'm going to look for it from my documents. I think I have a video right there, so I'll click on that, and then right here I'm going to tap on that video and click insert. So this is going to insert a video on landscape mode. I can actually play and pause the video from here. That's the playback option. Alright, I can forward and rewind the video and adjust the video volume intensity from here. But here are the video formatting options. We have video format and playback, which can be used to format or style the video or set the way your video behaves during the presentation. We have the playback option, corrections, color. You can change the color mask of the video from here. You can also add a poster. All right, if I want to add a poster just like a thumbnail, I can click on the poster frame. I can use the current frame, which is what you are looking at, as the poster. You can pick a poster from any frame inside your video. All right, so I can also insert a video, an image from my file to serve as a poster or a banner or a thumbnail for my video. Okay, so I can also reset the entire design. All these settings here, I can reset it if I want. I can also apply a video style. All right, I'll add my video inside a frame or style my video like that. All right, but the important options I would like us to focus on is the playback options. Here we have trim video. You can actually trim your video either from the beginning or from the end. You can add a fade in and fade out from the beginning and also from the end. And then we have volume as well. You can adjust your volume, video volume. But most importantly, we have the video options here, where you can select how your video begins during the slideshow. For instance, if I open this on slideshow right now, it's going to place it on full screen, and you can see the video does not play until I tap on it. All right, and then it starts playing. All right, I can move it forward and you can see the video is playing. I can also tap on it to pause the video. Now, if I want the video to start playing automatically once the slide enters the screen, I can just go back to playback and set it to automatically. All right, so this means that once this slide enters the screen during the presentation, the video starts playing automatically. I can also set it to play full screen. Okay, this is what it does. If I click on that, the video is going to play on full screen. That's it. Okay, the video is currently playing. It's also a PowerPoint video. Okay, and it's currently playing on full screen. And then I have other options like hide while not playing, which means the video will be hidden from the slideshow if it is not playing. I can also set it on loop, repeat. It will be repeating, okay, over and over and over again until you stop it. And then we have the rewind option. So once you set it to loop, no need to rewind that. And then you can also insert a caption, okay, like a subtitle or a caption to your video, and then you can save it as a media type on your PC. So that is how you insert and format video or style videos on your presentation. Okay, so see you in the next video.